Is aluminium the stealth buy? Analyzing the quiet surge in aluminium. While copper grabs headlines, aluminium has staged a powerful rally of its own, crossing $3,000 per ton, which is a 3-year high and closing 2025 with its best performance since 2021. Here is why this industrial metal is heating up. Why aluminium is quietly outperforming? First, China's supply cap. The Chinese government has imposed strict limits on aluminium smelting capacity, structurally capping global supply growth. Second, Europe's energy crisis. Persistently high electricity costs in Europe have forced smelters to cut production, tightening the market further. Third, strong structural demand. Sustained demand from construction, renewable energy, and we can look at renewable energy like solar frames, grids, and even in electrical vehicles. Lightweighting and infrastructure is creating a solid demand floor. Now looking at the green energy link, aluminium is essential for energy transition. It can be in infrastructure as well, making it a direct beneficiary of global decarbonization trends. Now how to gain exposure to aluminium in India? One, MCX futures, which is a direct exposure but carries a very high risk and requires a lot of trading expertise. Second, you can explore aluminium related stocks. Consider major producers like Hindalco Industries and National Aluminium Company, which is a more fundamentally stronger company which benefits from higher realizations. You can also look at ETFs, but actually speaking there are no pure play aluminium ETF exists in India, but broad based metals or commodity ETFs provides an indirect exposure. Now we should also discuss about key risks and consideration. One, China policy risk. Any relaxation of China's production caps could quickly flood the market and pressure prices. Energy price dependency. The cost of production is highly sensitive to global energy prices, especially in Europe. Looking at the substitution and slowdown risk, in some applications it could face substitution from cheaper materials as well, and a global economic slowdown could dampen this cyclical demand. Now also we need to remember post-rally caution. Entering after a significant move to multi-year highs require a strategic and a long-term view rather than chasing the momentum. Now the bottom line, aluminium's rally is built on a firm foundation of constrained supply and resilient green demand. It may not have copper's speculative frenzy, but its fundamentals are very robust. For investors, it represents a strategic industrial hedge within a commodities portfolio. But timing and diversification are very crucial. This is not an investment advice or a recommendation. I want you to do a due diligence on it, study more about aluminium, and I want you to let me know below in the comments what are your thought process on aluminium. In which avenue are you investing? What is the mode of investment in aluminium you are doing? And what is your thought process for 2026? Where do you see aluminium by the end of 2026? Do let me know in the comment section.